Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're taxiing out. And let me look around. So, do I want to do a realistic or a not realistic landing? And take off. I was gonna try and veer off that way anyway, so might as well just take off like that. It feels about the same.
Does it?
Yeah. Maybe slightly faster. If you're wondering why I'm saying this, everyone, it's because I have a larger battery than usual in this. No, it's not 4S, it's a 3S 4000 milliamp. 4000, depends on your terms. See, can I pull vertical? Any more power? Roger that. I'll do low pass. Some turbulence down low. I think I'm gonna stick higher for now. Cause down low I had some pretty bad turbulence. I was struggling to keep it level. To be correct, it barely wanted to pull up. Nothing too interesting, guys. Nothing too interesting. Yeah, this thing definitely doesn't feel as controlled. Maybe it's just because of the wind. Probably just because of the wind. There's a cover maneuver, everyone. Bring her in. Alright, just gonna glide her in. Alright. Another low pass. But it's time to bring her in?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll just do a normal landing.
I really don't know.
Another low pass, I guess.
Yeah. Take her to your left a little further.
Yep.
Yeah. Right about there. There you go. Now bring her down. Yeah.
Rudder.
That was beautiful.
I used some rudder there on landing to keep it straight.
Hey, showing your GoPro the sock sticking out.
Yeah, that's how bad the wind was, guys. Pretty damn bad. Just holding up elevator so that tail wheel sticks on the ground so I can actually steer. Boom, there you go, everyone. That's another Bigfoot flight. First flight that I've been able to record in almost 4 months. It's either been just wind cause it to not be a good flight, my GoPro's dead, or something else. Finally, jeez, this bird wants to fly. So, you guys also get to see the process of disconnecting this battery. Boom. Now we take off this, then we take this out. Pretty warm. So now Don't know if I pressed anything by accident there. We go like this. 61%. Wow. Maybe it just lasts longer.
You could have went for 4 minutes.
Yeah. Well.
Went 4 or 5 minutes.
Well. All right, everyone. No Cirrus flights today because the Cirrus has some very much not good at that much wind. But goodbye, everyone, and I'll see you next time.